tribe, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a color on the part 2 of this video. If you have not watched part 1, go and watch that. That's just the video before that was put out last Tuesday, or whenever you're watching this video. Now, my guest, as you know, in the previous video I did talk about her hair not relaxing bone straight, and that's because it came out more of a texturized, but by the next time we relax her hair it will be bone straight. So for those of you who are like, it's not straight or anything like that, do not worry about that. When you have a virgin relaxer, sometimes it just doesn't come out the way you need it to. Part 2, we are going into this high lift color that I'm going to use. Her hair will come out a beautiful copper orangey color. I love that for her. I used the 8-77 by Schwarzkopf, which is my brand of choice. I have used Goldwell, L'Oreal in the past, and I just really like this brand, and we've been with them for about 5 years, and I just feel like a lot of the colors that they have, or a lot of the colors that my clients want, they have. They also have a range specifically made for those that have dark bases, and it comes out with a pure, like the pure color without the need of bleach, which I thought was fabulous at the time. So that was what won me over. And this 8-77 almost always comes out like almost true to color. If you watch any of my shorts, you will see that it comes out differently on different people depending on their base, but you will never not have the color that you want. And 8-77 has more of an orangey tone to it. The 7-77 has more of a brownie tone to it, but they always show on the color. You're not going to be like, can you see it in the light? Can you not? That's what I love about the color. I used a 30 volt on this client because she's got a relaxer already, so I didn't want to push it too much, but you will see what is achieved with 30 volt in 45 minutes by the end of this video. So as you can see, her hair is this beautiful color, and she wanted me to cut down the back a little bit more because, as I mentioned before, she is not interested in having long hair at the moment. She is very, very, very decisive on this look, and I'm so happy. I love it when my clients come in and know exactly what they want, and they do exactly that, and they are making sure that they leave exactly how they envision themselves. This video went pretty viral on Instagram, at least part 1 did, and a lot of the comments that I got back was that it's too short, or it wasn't done well, or blah blah blah. And I was like, my main objective is always to let my clients know all the details. They always know the pros, the cons, and then after that they make a decision for themselves. I will always tell them having a longer piece in the front is lovely, but if they want it short, guess what, that's what I'm gonna do, because my clients always come first. Social media is amazing, but my clients' needs always come first, and always be reassured that they've been informed. So as you can see, I'm molding. I used the Syntonics wrapping souffle with the foaming pomade by Paul Mitchell, and she sat under the dryer for I think about 30 minutes. Honestly, I just can't get enough of this color on her. It's so pretty, and I can't wait to see what it washes out like, and also what it looks like with her roots coming in too. this was the final look on her. Again, you see me use my Caracal wax stick, my favorite baby. And this was a slightly different look for her. She wanted something a little bit different. She let me do what I wanted today. And again, I urge you to understand she loves her hair like this, and she's probably going to go shorter. Just warning you, if she allows me to film again, she'll probably be shorter.